I got another build for you guys today, man. We did this one, BMW X6, matte black wrapped. Beautiful job, matte black. Sitting on 30-inch Forgiatos. Yes, 30-inch Forgiatos, but the right way. No hokey poke, sitting straight, up and down, and tall like it's supposed to. The alignment is perfect, A1. We took our time to build this car the right way. Remember, Coast to Coast Customs doesn't just build all the cars, we build cars the right way. Come to us and we'll fix all your problems.